One of the most popular things for sublimators to press is t-shirts. In this how-to video, I'll be going over everything you need to know about sublimation t-shirt pressing. Now, it's vitally important to know that the only material you can use for sublimation is polyester. Polyester allows the ink to bond to it, whereas cotton and natural fibres won't. We also recommend you use a white t-shirt, as this will allow you to see all of the colours vividly from your design. Anything that's a coloured t-shirt, we recommend it being quite light, like a baby blue or a baby pink. But then try to avoid colours with light tones in them. So anything that's the lighter blue won't show on the t-shirt. So try to stick to text or block designs of a darker colour. With that, we next need a heat press. I've got our 50x40 here for a large coverage. Your printed design, which you need to ensure is trimmed on every edge so that no extraneous ink transfers. You'll need scissors to do that. You'll also want heat gloves to protect your hands from the heat press, heat tape for taping the design down, and we recommend a lint roller. Now, we lint roller the t-shirt to ensure all dust and debris is off and we get a good transfer. And with that all prepared, we're ready to start pressing. We're going to start by setting our press to 200 degrees for 50 seconds, but always check with the manufacturer of your garments for their recommended pressing times. Pop your heat gloves on to ensure that you're protected, and give the t-shirt a pre-press or an iron to remove any creases. With all the creases removed, we can then take the t-shirt and our design and tack it into place. Ensure that the design is square on your t-shirt and exactly where you want it to be, and then secure it firmly with heat tape. We can then pop this under our press and it will be ready for pressing. Pop your PTFE sheet over the top to protect your garment and your element, and then close the heat press. Once your timer beeps, the pressing is complete and you can open your heat press. Remove the PTFE protection sheet and then swiftly remove the design in one movement. And here we have our final pressed t-shirt. As you can see, the colours are rich and vivid and the blacks are deep. It differs entirely to our printed page. Remember, always press the design to get the final result. Don't judge the printed image to be your final product.